Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Residents of Ughelli in Ughelli North Local Government Area of Delta State have commended the Governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, for spearheading significant infrastructure development initiatives across the local government area. They noted that these efforts have provided relief to the community and stimulated massive socio-economic activities. This follows Governor Oborevwori's recent visit to the construction site of roads at Oborevwori Junction, which includes Edo Street, Royal Avenue, AKUGHA Road, where he urged contractors to accelerate their work, emphasizing the importance of timely completion for the benefit of the local population.
In August last year, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori-led Delta State government took steps to address the persistent traffic congestion experienced at Oborevwori Junction around Ughelli Patani section of the East-West Road in Ughelli North Local Government Area of the state, with the award of several road projects to link the streets in the area, among which are Edo Street, Royal Avenue and AKUGHA Road. The road projects, which are in advanced stages at the moment, will, when completed, provide alternative routes for motorists, thereby decongesting the ever-busy Oborevwori Junction and opening up the town for development. Some residents along the area of the ongoing construction, Mrs. Jubilee Champion and Mrs. Love Genere, while commending the governor, noted that the road construction is a relief to the community and will enhance economic activities and growth within the town.
When rain falls, there is water. You pass inside bush. But now you are passing a high bridge, a clear road. The motor will pass to AKUGHA Road. As a matter of fact, Sheriff is the man.
You never do the roads finish. Just small open where they open now. They don't they pass. This shortcut they come. Bike they pass, keke they pass. Very good, very nice.
Adding to the chorus of accolades, a former local government chairman, Honorable Godwin Adode, said the governor is making true his promise of championing meaningful development across Delta State.
Ughelli is a fast-growing town today in Delta State, and you can see this road is doing today. This road is connecting a lot of communities, and it's going to be a good help to the local government. And we, the Ughelli people, we are appreciating. And actually spreading more agenda to Ughelli. That means you have a good mind for we. And let me tell you the truth. This lady one is not only this road is doing up to 6 different roads within Ughelli metropolis. So it's a kudos to the Excellency. People are celebrating because of this new modern Ughelli houses that is actually working on. And this road today is doing.
With just about a month to mark a year in office, Governor Oborevwori and his team went around several project sites in the state to ascertain the level and progress of work, where he renewed his administration's stance on ensuring quality service delivery through the completion of all projects inherited from previous administrations in the state, as well as the initiation of new ones in line with the principle of continuity in governance.
We are going to consolidate on the already ongoing projects. We will not abandon any projects, and also initiate new ones. These are part of the new ones that we've initiated already. New roads, virgin land. You can see the opening now, it's a virgin land. So I'm appealing to the contractors that they should see how they can work.
Aside from the internal roads in Ughelli North Local Government Area, the governor was also at the multi-billion naira Udu Harbour Market, with about 600 lock-up shops and 122 open shops in Udu Local Government Area, initially awarded in 2006.
We believe in quality. We don't want substandard job to be done in this state. So, and I've gone around, I've seen the quality of work you are doing. So just keep it up. The project that will be on since 2006, we should complete it. Yes, sir. We should complete it. We should complete it. So let's complete this one. Then after we think of what I want to do again. You remember that it's not only this market. There are other projects they are going to do in Udu.
The all-important 162-kilometer Ughelli-Asaba Expressway, awarded about 15 years ago by the government of Emmanuel Oduahan, but rarely attended to by the immediate past government of Ifeanyi Okowa, and now receiving full attention from the Oborevwori government, was the next port of call for the governor and his team, where they inspected the bridge across the Obo River in Ugwashiku, Aniocha South local government area.
This is the road that links other local government to the capital. So without this road, for you to go to Asaba, it's difficult. That's why this road is very, very important. As a government, what we know that benefit the people, that will make our people to suffer, is more important. Whether the road is a federal road or a state road.
During Governor Oborevwori's recent visit to the project site, he emphasized the importance of the timely completion of work for the benefit of the local population. Suffice it to say that the ongoing rapid infrastructure development across the state is a testament to the governor's commitment to improving the lives of residents and ensuring meaningful development as outlined in his social contract with Deltans, otherwise known as the MORE Agenda.
Inside the Niger Delta,